for a while in this house and here. First, what I would like to do is give you brief information about the colors that has been used in the past now on handmade carpets. And then we will see a few girls and I will try to explain how a handmade carpet is made. If you listen me good, you can have a new job and start making carpets. Again, at the very end, we will see some nice finished pieces with general information about colors, design, size, price. Any question you should have in your mind, you can just stop me and ask your questions. It's a kind of a bush, grows a lot in this region. Onion skin, saffron, but not the saffron you can use for cooking. That would be a very expensive yellow color.
In Russia?
In Russia, yes. We don't need to go this far back. Until 40 years ago, we had thousands of villages in Turkey. Didn't have any electricity, any television, telephone, nothing. Very fine, we cannot see anything there. And we will go there also. Okay, a handmade carpet, or it's made with a single knotting technique. What we use on the Turkish carpets are the double knots, known as Turkish knot in the world. Why? Because it's only Turkey and some Turkey countries like Turkmenistan also uses the double knotting technique on some of their carpets. But then all the other countries like Iran, which is called the warp, weft and the pile, okay? And she will show us slowly the double knot on her loom. I also will show it on my fingers so you can see it 100%. The two vertical threads, one is on the front, the next is behind. Look, they don't stay straight, just like this. Look at my hands, please. One is on the front, one stays behind. That's why you have this wooden piece here, which separates them from each other.
Quite expensive, right? So they have a double, you cannot, the behind also will be very nice.
Yes. And then she beats it down with a heavy comb, which is called kirkit. And it stays there. So the next row of knots comes on top of a horizontal thread, always. And then she cuts the top of the pile with this special scissor here. This is the easiest part of making a handmade carpet and also the only thing I like to do. But at the end we trim it, shave it, make it even again with an electronic scissor. And this is the pattern she has to follow. The patterns are made by designers, not by weavers. This is a different work. And when I was talking about the colors at the very beginning, when we came here, that's for wool on wool, completely woolen carpets. This is wool on cotton, second level. Why you use cotton? To work with a much finer thread. Okay, you have, I mean, if you want to make an intricate design, fine design, you have to put more knots. More knots means finer thread. And a woolen thread, you can still use a certain fineness to make the knots, no problem. But then you have to have the same thickness on the vertical thread. So if you give a woolen thread, this fine, this high tension, it would stretch or break for sure. That's why you have to move to wool on cotton, second level, to put more knots.
Okay.
Or if you see a design like this on the floor, you can be sure that it's not wool. And much finer threads you have to use. More knots, more work. More work, more expensive than wool or cotton, but that doesn't make a big difference. The big difference is the workmanship, exactly.
How long it takes for like a piece of...
Okay. Do you know what is a dowry? Bride gift?
Yeah, dowry, yes.
Okay. Dowry is very important.
To the Arab.
Not to the Arab. You know,
Oh, cantiknya. Ada lagi. Ada lagi.
very and run başkalar. This size woolen carpets. I give you some idea about prices. Is US dollars okay because you are all from so different countries?
Sen mana?
That's
Cantiknya.
Starts with $450, can go up to $3,500.
Cantik dah.
Ini teko-teko dia.
Years.
Yes.
2 years worth.
Aç bakalım.
Wow.
Nice for you.
Wow. Colour dia macam ada tone sikit.
Silk on silk.
Silk on.
For the price of this one, you can buy this one, this one, this one.
Kak minum tak?
The cheapest one. Evet, bir statüsü görüksün. Okay, we will, for big sizes, if you should be interested in having a big size, of course you cannot carry something like this with you. We have free shipping, yes, door to door.
Free shipping.
Yes. To Malaysia, which other countries we have?
Malaysia, Singapore, Hong Kong.
And Hong Kong. Okay. So if you have any questions, if you should be interested in, we explain you how the shipping also works exactly. I have my colleague, Mr. Halil.